Rangatahi Toa. It's about creating the next generation of young warriors. This is one of its first of its kind to help grow young tamariki and rangatahi. Enjoy themselves in the sport of boxing. What we sort of set out to do was to engage other clubs throughout the mutu to come together, have their athletes really have a go, because getting into this ring can be very difficult and challenging, even for us Pakeke.
With my gym, Dixon's Boxing, based up in Whakatua, up in Nelson, it's obviously given Aurora Rangatahi an opportunity to compete in the ring. But it's not only that, it's about embracing them with that manaakitanga, whakawhanaungatanga, tautoko and that aroha. Lucky enough to be a recipient of Tama Order. It's helping in the way of getting new gear, new equipment into the gym. Obviously getting us here today as well to support our brother Reece.
Very thankful for the support of Tama Order, okay, because it gave us the financial backing to be able to hire a space, promote what we're doing right in here without that stress, or without that financial stress. To provide our young athletes and to treat them like they would be as professional athletes, and that's what we want to do.
What makes me like boxing is that my dad really got me to boxing, and that made me passionate, so in the future I might become a boxer and become a national champion one day.
We're not letting our financial sort of areas be a barrier. We sort of took that, they helped us take that away. So we are to provide these awesome medals that we're providing our young ones, and they get to take that tohu away and be something that they're proud of. And that's what we want this event to be. And now we're going to hopefully continue this on and for the future, but